STEMtastic Tuesday.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ashley Bland, and I'm an instructional technology resource teacher. Today, I'm joined by my assistant,
Alani.
and we're going to walk you through the steps of doing a really cool egg experiment. If you want to see what we mean, you just need to
Stay tuned.
So for today's experiment, you're going to need a few items. You'll need a jar or container with a lid, some vinegar, any type that you have around the house is fine, an egg. You can choose whether to cook it, but we left ours raw. And an optional item to have is food coloring. We'll start today by pouring some vinegar into the jar. We put it in a measuring cup to make it a little easier to pour. Remember, this step is completely optional, but if you have food coloring, now is a good time to add it to the vinegar. Add a few drops and then mix. This next step will require a little adult assistance. You will need to place the egg carefully into the jar of vinegar. In the clip, you'll notice that I'm using a spoon and that I'm tilting the jar to the side to make this a little bit easier. Once the egg is inside, place the lid on top. It will need to remain in the vinegar for 3 to 7 days. Once the egg is added to the jar of vinegar, the magic starts happening very quickly. Notice the bubbles that are forming around the egg. Can you describe what's happening now in this step? After 5 days, we removed the egg from the jar of vinegar and gently washed it with running water. Notice how squishy the egg is now. Here's a side-by-side view of the egg with one fresh out of the carton. Notice any differences? Try out different variables. You may want to soak the egg in lemon juice or orange juice or soda instead of vinegar. Try out different lengths of time of leaving the egg in the jar. Or you may even want to try viewing the egg with a flashlight in the dark. You may be surprised at what you see. Alani and I can't wait to hear your discovery. Uh-oh, don't press too hard.